Hey, it's Aaron, and if you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website called TGM Panel, and maybe you're wondering, is this a good way for you to make money online? Let's check it out. Let's see if it's a good use of your time, or maybe it's a waste of time. Let's check it out, all right? Now, anytime if you want to get my favorite way to get to $10,000 a month or more, 100% from home, click the link below, and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I've reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different strategies to make money online. Some of them are really good, some of them are so-so. A lot of them, though, a big waste of time. So let's check out TGM Panel to find out whether this is a good way to make money online, or maybe they're better ways out there, right? Now, TGM Panel is basically a market research company. So if you come to tgmresearch.com, you're going to find that this is their website that's focused for clients to actually basically pay them money to get involved with their survey panels, okay? Now, if you scroll down, these are all the different countries that this is available in, right? So it's a lot of countries. It's not every country in the world, but it is a lot of countries, okay? So it's likely that your country is here. If it's not, then unfortunately, you're not going to be able to do it. This is just in Europe, okay? They're all over. You can see here Europe, there's Africa, there's Asia Pacific, there's MENA right here. It's they basically cover almost every single large country out there, okay? Now, if you want to get access to the survey itself, TGM Research is not the place to do it, okay? What you want to do is you want to Google TGM Panel for your country, and then it will pop up. So for example, this is mine right here, and it's very specific, okay? So it says join TGM Panel Malaysia, take part, blah 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 blah, and then you can just join right here. So enter your email, your password, if you're male or female, your date of birth, your country, your phone number, which is optional, and then you sign up, okay? Now after you sign up, and this is important, you need to fill out all of your details. So make sure you take the time to fill out your profile. So they're going to ask you questions about your background, right? What activities do you like to do? What's your employment? What are your hobbies? What kind of food do you like? Do you like electronics? Things like that, right? Because the more information that they have on you, the more basically surveys that they can serve you, because if they don't know about your background, they can't serve you the right surveys for you to be a good match, okay? Now once you do that, you're going to get a bunch of surveys in your back office that you can fill out, right? But you have to fill out what's called a pre-qualification questionnaire to make sure you actually qualify for that survey. Now you're going to be disqualified from some. That means you won't qualify for all. Usually it's about you qualify for 2 to 3 out of every 5, okay? So it does take a little bit of time to fill out the pre-qualification questionnaires to then fill out the survey. Now when you do fill out the survey, they will pay between 25 cents to about $2 per survey. Every survey is slightly different, so you just have to make sure that you take the time to fill out the surveys, okay? Now, how much can you really make with filling out surveys? That's a big question, right? Now, the thing that you have to understand with all survey companies is not just TGM Panel, is that it really depends on the supply of surveys that come in at that particular time. So when you log in and you become a member of TGM Panel, it's not like you're going to sit there and fill out 100 surveys a day, because they're not going to have a supply of hundreds of surveys every single day. Sometimes you'll have 10, sometimes you'll have 1, some days you'll have none. And sometimes you'll go weeks without having any surveys at all, because it just depends on your country, your background, how much information you filled in, did you fill out your profile, and the amount of clients that they have at that particular time that match your profile for you to fill out a survey. Okay, so that's very important to understand. Now you can also join their referral program and refer people to TGM Panel, and you get paid 10% commissions whenever somebody withdraws. Okay, now the minimum withdrawal for survey time, the threshold is $10. All right, now it's going to take you a while to add up to $10, because you have to understand, if every survey pays you 25 cents, 50 cents, 80 cents, sometimes the good ones are $1 or $2, but most of the time it'll hover around 20 cents, 30 cents, 40 cents, 50 cents, 60 cents, 70 cents, around that range, okay? So it's going to take a little bit of time for you to fill out enough surveys to hit $10, right? But when you do, you can withdraw either through PayPal, or you can use G codes, which is basically their rewards platform, which gives you access to different gift cards depending on which country you live in the world, okay? And that's essentially it, right? Now, how much can you really make with a panel like TGM Panel, right? How much money can you really make filling out surveys? Well, it really depends. If you spend a few hours a day filling out surveys, provided that you actually have surveys to fill out, you can expect to earn anywhere from $2 to $3 a day, okay? Roughly, right? If you run out of surveys, then you're not going to have, you're not going to make $2 to $3 a day. But if there are surveys, if you're lucky at that particular time, then $2 to $3 a day filling out surveys is pretty realistic. So if you do the math on that, that's maybe $50 to $100 a month. Okay, so look, you're not going to get rich filling out surveys. It's 100% free. It's available in a lot of countries, but it's not designed to make you rich. It's like bonus income, right? You can't replace your full-time job with it. You can't travel the world, but it's an extra 50 to $100 a month, right? So TGM panel is definitely one of the decent survey websites. I recommend, if you want to fill out more surveys on a more regular basis, join more survey panels. That's the strategy here, right? Don't just rely on TGM panel, because they're just not going to be able to serve you enough surveys for you to make a ton of money. But if you join quite a few, then you might, do okay, generating $50, $100. If you join multiple panels, maybe a few $100s a month. And that's what you can expect with TGM panel. So if you want to check it out, okay, just make sure you Google TGM panel for your country, TGM panel plus your country name. You'll find the exact page where you can use to join. Okay, hope you enjoyed this review of TGM panel. Wish you all the best. If you're here watching this video right now though, maybe you are looking for a way to make big money online. On this channel, I've reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of making money strategies. Some of them good, some of them so-so, some of them not great. But out of all the good ones, I've used one particular one to quit my full-time job in April 2019. I actually 5 times my old corporate salary. If you want to check out that strategy, I think it's a great strategy for beginners. Click the link below, and I've got a free masterclass that you can go through step by step. All right, I hope you enjoyed this review of TGM panel. Wish you all the best. See you on another video review. Take care.